Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever needed to automatically insert or calculate today's date in Smartsheet, maybe for tracking deadlines, recording daily progress, or just keeping your sheets up to date, then this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the powerful Today function in Smartsheet, along with a couple of handy tricks for customizing it. So let's jump right in and get you set up. First off, there's a really important detail you need to know right up front. The Today function only works if your column is set up as a date type. If you try to use it in a column set as text or number, it just won't calculate as you expect. Instead, you'll get an error or a blank cell. So let's make sure your column is ready to go. To do that, find the column where you want to display today's date. Now right-click on that column header. Just a quick right-click, you'll see a menu pop up. From there, choose Edit Column Properties. Don't rush here. Sometimes the menu options look similar, so double-check that you're selecting the column you intend to work with. Once you're in the Column Properties dialog, look for the drop-down labeled Column Type. Click that, and from the options, select Date. Then just hit OK to confirm your choice. This little change is what tells Smartsheet to handle all values in that column as dates, which is essential for the function to work. It's a quick adjustment, but it unlocks the whole power of date-based formulas. Alright, now that your column is ready, let's put the Today function to work. Find the cell where you want today's date to appear and click into it. To start your formula, type the equals sign, that's equals, which is how Smartsheet knows you're entering a formula. Then type Today followed by empty parentheses like this. Today, press enter and you should instantly see the current date appear in your cell. It's that simple. What you're telling Smartsheet here is, I want whatever today's date is every time I look at the sheet. The function updates automatically. If you open the sheet tomorrow, it'll show tomorrow's date and so on. It's super helpful for keeping your timelines fresh without manual edits. But sometimes you don't want just today's date. You might want a calculation, like what will the date be in 3 days? Or maybe you want to flag items that are due soon. No problem in that, just a small tweak. Click into your cell again, type equals followed by today, and then add a plus sign and a number. For example, if you want the date 3 days from now, you'd enter equals today plus 3. Hit enter and Smartsheet will show you the date that's exactly 3 days ahead of today. This trick is fantastic for things like setting follow-up reminders or calculating future deadlines automatically. You can change that number to whatever fits your workflow, whether it's 1 day, 7 days, or even negative numbers for past dates. So that's how you use the Today function, and how you can make it work even harder for you with simple calculations. These little formulas take just seconds, but they can save you tons of time keeping your sheets accurate and dynamic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out. Got questions about other Smartsheet formulas or a specific scenario you're working on? Drop your comments down below. I'd love to help you out. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.